slide. Rivers of gold that twist and collide. Dove of twilight, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of twilight, hold me tight. Clouds they dance in the rhythm sky. When the whispers low, then rises high. Footsteps echo where spirits lie. Feel the drum, it talks, it calls, breaking chains and shaking walls. Dove of twilight, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of twilight, hold me tight. Echoes bounce in the valley of sound. Hearts beat steady as the bass pounds. Fingers trace the path we found. Dove of twilight, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of twilight, hold me tight. Devil bounce in the valley of sound. Hearts beat steady as the bass pounds. Fingers trace the path we found.
Clouds roll heavy like ancient drums. Mystic winds whisper where I'm from. The moonlight dances on the ocean's face. A riddle wrapped in a velvet lace. Mystic cha-cha, lead me slow. Through the fire, through the glow. Mystic cha-cha, guide my way. Night turns cold when you light the day. Echoes of truth in the lion's roar. Footsteps fall on a forgotten shore. Stars paint maps in the endless skies. The rhythm lives where the heartbeat lies. I hear it calling, I hear it still. A voice that bends the iron will. Mystic Jah, your breath's on me. In every beat I lose my fear. Mystic Jah, Jah, lead me slow. Through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jah, Jah, guide my way. Night turns cold when you light the day. Echoes of truth in the lion's roar. Footsteps fall on a forgotten shore. Stars paint maps in the endless skies. The rhythm lives where the heartbeat lies. I hear it calling, I hear it still. A voice that bends the iron will. Mystic Jah, your breath's on me. In every beat I lose my fear. Mystic Jah, Jah, lead me slow. Through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jah, Jah, guide my way. Night turns cold when you light the day. a ghost of warmth that lost the fight. Cinders whisper but they don't burn. They tell a story but they never turn. Fire can't sleep in ash no more. It used to rage, now it's a chore. No spark, no roar, no breath to take. Fire can't dream when it's wide awake. I see the scars where flames once danced. A fleeting moment, no second chance. The ground is cold, but it's stained with heat. A paradox that feels incomplete. And the embers sigh, but they won't reply to the night's empty cry. Fire can't sleep in ash no more. It used to rage, now it's a chore. No spark, no roar, no breath to take. Fire can't dream when it's wide awake. Ashes whisper, don't you stay. We've got no heat, we've lost our way. Chasing shadows that won't ignite. Fire needs the dark to find its
Fire burn, Mount Zion flame will never turn. Na 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 na, chant it higher. Fire of Zion, eternal fire. I see the morning rise above the hill. Sacred flame the whole earth feels. Light of Jah shining pure and strong. Guides the righteous as we move along. No chain can hold this holy fire. No wall can block Jah true desire. From the mountain the spirit flows, burning bright as the fire grows. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing light till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing light till the night is gone. Zion fire is in our hand, guiding children through the storm, keeping every spirit warm. Lion roar from the holy ground, thunder echoes with a mighty sound. In the fire we find our way, Mount Zion flame will never fade. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, burning bright, yes the flame lives on. Chanting loud, let the whole world know, Zion fire forever glow. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing light till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise, flame of freedom in Jah Zion. No, 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 fire burn, Zion flame will always turn. Light my soul, lift me high, Mount Zion fire, eternal fire.
The sea talks deep where the sun can't reach. Whispers of old in the waves they preach. A fish swims slow, a shadow grows wide. The ocean's secrets they never confide. Jah depth, where the world takes a breath. Jah depth, feel the pull, feel the heft. Roots grow down where the soil can't see. Truth buried low like a sunken key. A drumbeat calls from the heart of stone. Echoes of life where you're never alone. Breathe it in, let it flow. Feel the rhythm, let it show. Jah depth, where the world takes a breath. Jah depth, feel the pull, feel the heft. Clouds drift high, but the roots stay tight. Stars fall low, but they shine all night. What you see ain't the full design. The depth of Jah is a steady line. Jah depth, the roots stay tight. Stars fall low, but they shine all night. What you see ain't the full design. The depth of Jah is a steady line. Jah depth, where the world takes a breath. Where the world takes a breath. Jah depth, feel the pull, feel the heft, feel the heft, feel the heft, feel the heft.
Oh, Jah, blessings fall. Na 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 na, shower over all. Blessings rain from Jah. Oh Jah, guiding my soul near and far. Morning light, I rise and pray. Give thanks to Jah for another day. Raindrops fall, washing my soul. Blessings of Jah make I whole. Through the struggle, through the pain, Jah send sunshine after rain. Every trial, His blessing rain on forever blessed. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Hear the thunder, the clouds roll by. Jah Jah blessing fall from the sky. Like the river to the sea, Jah abundance set I free. No drought, no hunger, no fear inside. Blessing rain keep we alive. Roots grow strong where His waters flow. Jah Jah love forever show. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Who bring the rain of mercy? Jah bring the mercy. Who fill the cup so plenty? Jah fill it plenty. Showers fall, refresh the land. Blessings in Jah Jah hand. Oh, when the night is dark and cold, blessing rain, story told. Jah renew my weary soul. Fill my spirit, make I whole. Every drop is a song of praise. Every storm shows brighter days. From the mountain to the plain, Jah Jah blessings fall like rain. Blessing rain from Jah above, flowing down with endless love. Wash my heart, cleanse my mind. Peace and light in Jah I find. Blessings rain forever flow. Seeds of life begin to grow. Give I strength, keep I strong. Blessings rain the whole life long. Na 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 na, blessing rain, rain down down. Jah Jah love will always rain down. Showers fall, spirit rise. Blessing rain from Jah eternal sky. Ooh, strong in a Jah Jah name we belong. Na 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 na. it higher. Root strong, burn with fire. Foundation firm and true, guide I steps in all I do. Storm may come and winds may blow, but the tree of life still strong we know. Planted deep in Zion land, roots of love forever stand. Roots strong in Jah name, never bend into the shame. Stand tall in the flame, roots strong forever the same. Roots strong in Jah name, never bend into the shame. Stand tall in the flame, roots strong forever the same. Children gather, the elders sing, stories carried on a drumbeat ring. From the past to the present day, Jah love never fade away. Babylon try with tricks and lies, but Jah truth shine through the skies. Roots so strong they can't erase, grounded firm in Jah embrace. Roots strong in Jah name, never bend into the shame. Stand tall in the flame, roots strong forever the same. Oh Jah yeah, roots strong in Jah name. Oh Jah yeah, never bend into the shame. Oh Jah yeah, stand tall in the flame. Oh Jah yeah, roots strong forever the same. Who keep the roots alive? Jah keep alive. Who make the spirit thrive? Jah keep alive. From the soil to the holy flame. Oh Jah yeah, roots strong in Jah name. Through the fire, through the rain, Jah love is all the pain. Every branch reach to the sky, roots below will never die. Generation to generation strong, sing together the Zion song. In Jah garden we remain, roots strong forever sustain. Roots strong in Jah name. Oh Jah name, never bend into the shame. Oh Jah name, stand tall in the flame. Oh Jah roots strong forever the same. Oh Jah name, roots strong in Jah name. Oh Jah name, oh Jah forever reign. Hold me firm, keep me true. Roots strong in everything I do. Na 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 na. Roots strong in a Jah name we belong. Hey, hold me steady, Jah never change. Roots strong in Jah name. Oh, Jah yeah. Oh Jah, kingdom come. Na na na, thy will be done. From Zion hills, the trumpet sound, Jah light shine all around. Morning rise, I lift my eyes to the holy trumpets play, Jah kingdom come, a brighter day. Through the struggle, through the fight, Jah love bring holy light. No more sorrow, no more pain, in Jah kingdom peace shall reign. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know, Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Children sing with voices strong, chanting praises all day long. From the valley to mountain high, Jah kingdom shining in the sky. Babylon walls will tumble down, Jah love rise and wear the crown. Every tongue and every race find redemption in Jah grace. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know, Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know, Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Who bring justice for the poor? Jah open door. Who bring freedom for the slave? Jah strong to save. Who bring peace where there was none? Jah kingdom come. Oh, night will fade, the dawn will rise, new creation before our eyes. Lion roar from Zion's hill, Jah kingdom come, His holy will. Every nation bow and sing, glory, glory to the King. Love and mercy overflow, Jah kingdom come, let the whole world know. Jah kingdom come, thy will be done, on this earth as in Zion. Sing it loud, let the people know, Jah kingdom come, forever grow. Jah kingdom come, oh shining bright, fill the world with holy light. Never ending, forever strong. Jah kingdom come, eternal song. Na na na. Jah kingdom come, forever shine, forever run, forever one. Thy will be done. Jah reign above. Jah kingdom come, one heart, one love.
Lion of Zion, songs of the lion keep on rising. Na 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 na, chanted higher, roar of truth blaze with fire. From the hills of Zion sound, sacred words keep circling round. Lion roar, mighty and strong, psalms of the lion, a holy song. Through the battle, through the flame, Jah protecting His holy name. In the darkness, light is shown. Lion psalms guide I own. Psalms of the lion roaring free, chanting down in unity. Strength and power, Jah proclaim. Psalms of the
Jaja, guide we, protect we. Call upon the Most High. Oh. Clear. When the burden heavy, me feel the fear. Still me lift my eyes to the sky above. Just shower me with endless love. Call upon the Most High. Him hear me when me cry. In the morning, noon and night. Jah guide me steps in the light. Call upon the Most High. My soul will never die. Every child will survive. Jah keep the fire alive. Oh, Babylon plan to chain me down, but Jah wear the only crown. My spirit strong, me can't be so. Jah wisdom brighter than gold. I call upon the Most High. Him answer from the sky. Every valley, every fire. Jah turn darkness into light. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Through storm, through flood, through flame, still me call Jah holy name. Enemies laugh, but them can't win. Jah break the chain of sin. Jah most high, carry my soul, me can't deny. Lion of Judah, me strength, me song. In a Jah hand me belong. Call upon the Most High. Yeah, lift me spirit high. Call upon the Most High. Him hear me when me cry. No matter what them try, Babylon can't deny. Call upon the Most High. Forever Jah supply. Spoke in chance, Selassie I live. Jah fire burn, Jah kingdom come. Every youth way lost in our street, Jah blessing still them meet. Every tear me cry, Jah, Jah. Every fall Jah lift me high. Call upon the Most High. Him never say goodbye. From the sunrise till the night, Jah keep the fire bright. Yeah. Call upon the Most High. Till the day me fly. One love, one heart, one way. Jah guide me every day. Oh, call
whispers on the ocean floor. Waves keep secrets they've seen before. The wind hums low, a quiet roar. Roots run deep, oh, they never lie. Feel the rhythm, it's the earth's reply. Jaw horizon, where the sky meets the sea. Jaw horizon, where the soul runs free. Lift your eyes, let the colors be. Jaw horizon, calling you and me. Clouds paint stories drifting slow. Mountains bow where the rivers flow. A fire burns where the spirits glow. Feel the drumbeat, it's the pulse of life. Every heartstring like a sharpened knife. Jaw horizon, where the sky meets the sea. Jaw horizon, where the soul runs free. Lift your eyes, let the colors be. Jaw horizon, calling you and me. Clouds paint stories, drifting slow. Mountains bow where the rivers flow. A fire burns where the spirits glow. Feel the drumbeat, it's the pulse of life. Every heartstring like a sharpened knife. Jaw horizon, where the sky meets the sea. Jaw horizon, where the soul runs free. Lift your eyes, let the colors be. Jaw horizon, calling you and me.
Shadows crawling up the wall. Whispers rise and then they fall. A clock that ticks but has no face. Footsteps where no one treads. Eyes that watch from empty beds. The spirit of dread, it's under my skin. A hollow laugh, a chilling grin. The spirit of dread, it won't let me go. It lives in the silence, it thrives in the cold. A mirror cracks but I don't stare. There's something moving in the air. A heartbeat that's not my own. The wind it calls, it knows my name. The dark is playing a wicked game. The spirit of dread, it's under my skin. A hollow laugh, a chilling grin. The spirit of dread, it won't let me go. It lives in the silence, it thrives in the cold. A mirror cracks but I don't stare. There's something moving in the
in the cold.
Oh, Jah guide me on the Zion road. Chanting low, Zion road. Walking through the morning light, sunrise rising, my soul feels bright. Hear the drums calling from the ancient land. Freedom's fire burning in my hand. Every step is a prayer I send. Every mile is a truth I defend. Through the struggle and the heavy load, I keep chanting on the Zion road. Zion road, oh, carry me higher. Zion road, Zion road, set my soul on fire. Fire, chanting songs, Jah love unfold. Walking free on the Zion road. Voices rising from the mountainside, spirits dancing where the rivers glide. Ancient wisdom flowing deep and strong. Roots of Zion keep me moving on. Babylon try to change.
Roots in the earth grow deep, deep, wide. Under the sun where the shadows slide. Rivers of gold that twist and collide. Dove of twilight, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of twilight, hold me tight. Clouds they dance in the rhythm sky. When the whispers low, then rises high. Footsteps echo where spirits lie. Feel the drum, it talks, it calls, breaking chains and shaking walls. Dove of twilight, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of twilight, hold me tight. Echoes bounce in the valley of sound. Hearts beat steady as the bass pounds. Fingers trace the path we found. Dove of twilight, it shines so bright through the haze of the night. Dove of twilight, hold me tight. Devil bounce in the valley of sound. Hearts beat steady as the bass pounds. Fingers trace the path we found.
like winds whisper where I'm from. The moonlight dances on the ocean's face, a riddle wrapped in a velvet lace. Mystic Jaja, lead me slow, through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jaja, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day. Truth in the lion's roar, footsteps fall on a forgotten shore. Stars paint maps in the endless skies. The rhythm lives where the heartbeat lies. I hear it calling, I hear it still, a voice that bends the iron will. Mystic Jah, your breath's on me. In every beat I lose my fear. Mystic Jah, lead me slow, through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jaja, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day. Echoes of truth in the lion's roar, footsteps fall on a forgotten shore. Stars paint maps in the endless skies. The rhythm lives where the heartbeat lies. I hear it calling, I hear it still, a voice that bends the iron will. Mystic Jah, your breath's on me. In every beat I lose my fear. Mystic Jah, lead me slow, through the fire, through the glow. Mystic Jah, guide my way. Night turns gold when you light the day.
scars where flames once danced. A fleeting moment, no second chance. The ground is cold, but it's stained with heat. A paradox that feels incomplete. And the embers sigh, but they won't reply to the night's empty cry. Fire can't sleep in ash no more. It used to rage, now it's a chore. No spark, no roar, no breath to take. Fire can't dream when it's wide awake. Ashes whisper, don't you stay. We've got no heat, we've lost our way. Chasing shadows that won't ignite. Fire needs the dark to find its
Fire burn, Mount Zion flame will never turn. Na 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 na, chant it higher. Fire of Zion, eternal fire. I see the morning rise above the hill. Sacred flame, the whole earth feels. Light of Jah shining pure and strong. Guides the righteous as we move along. No chain can hold this holy fire. No wall can block Jah true desire. From the mountain, the spirit flows, burning bright as the fire grows. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Hear the drum, they beat so loud. Ancient voices chanting proud. From the roots, the people sing. Mount Zion fire conquers everything. Through the trials, through the pain, Zion flame will still remain. Babylon fall with lies they bring, but Zion fire is the eternal king. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Fire, fire of Mount Zion, blazing high till the night is gone. Burning strong, oh the truth will rise. Flame of freedom in Jah Zion. Burn, burn away the chains. Burn away the chains. Burn, burn away the lies. Burn away the lies. Oh Zion fire, keep us strong. Keep us strong. Keep us strong. Together we chant forever long. When the darkness covers all the land, Zion fire